Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome. Make sure you subscribe down below. So for today's video, I have for you this summer glowy look. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so if you guys hear people being obnoxious and loud in the background, it's my neighbors and I apologize. I'm so sorry. I can't control what other people do. So I'd like to apologize because some of the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using today were limited edition and they've been discontinued. But you can use whatever shades you have that are similar. It's honestly not that serious. You're probably gonna have the same outcome no matter what brands you use. So I'm gonna go into the Mario and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna grab this orange shade right here called Isabel, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade and all over the lid. Just keep building this color up to your desired intensity. So going back into the same palette, we're going to go into this brown shade right here called Violeta, and we're going to put that over that transition shade. I have a dry spot on my lid and some of the eyeshadow is clinging onto that area, but it's fine. So now to make sure that everything's nice and blended, we're gonna go back into that transition shade and just mix these two colors together. So now going into the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katy collab palette, I'm going to grab this bronze shade right here, and this is Noli. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid with my finger. I'm actually going to spray my finger with some Fix Plus and see how that goes. I had to tie my hair up because I was sweating like a madman, but now we're just gonna make sure that everything's nice and blended together. I'm gonna be doing my lashes off camera, and these are the lashes I'm using. These are from AliExpress. We want to be cute and dewy, so we're going to be mixing in the Too Faced Born This Way and the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This one's in the shade Syracuse and this one's in the shade Praline. Wow, these two foundations together are like super full coverage. So for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. don't know why on camera my forehead looks like 100 different colors, but it's not. I'm just really sweaty. So to bake and set my face, I'm going to be using my handy dandy Laura Mercier loose translucent powder. I put setting powder on my forehead with my fingers because I'm an idiot. So today, believe it or not, we're not doing anything to our bottom lash line. That is so unlike me. We're honestly just gonna apply mascara, and this, I never show it on camera, but this is the mascara I always use. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. What? No, better than Sex foundation. Sorry. My neighbors are so freaking loud and obnoxious. Like, again, I'm so sorry, you guys. I had to do my mascara off camera, my lower lash mascara, because I had to get really close to the mirror and I couldn't see. So I would have been like this and you guys wouldn't have been able to see anything. You know, I said I was gonna leave my lower lash line alone, but I'm gonna add this to my waterline. This is actually a primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills for like your eyebrows. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go back into the Dose of Colors palette, and I'm gonna use this gold shade here called Zeus. I have so much darkness in my inner corners that it's like no matter how much concealer I put on, they just don't hide. So now we're going to contour, and as per usual, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. So for blush, I'm using the Tarte Party blush. I'm pretty sure this came in like a birthday gift from Sephora, but I don't know if it's part of like a permanent line. I'm gonna add a little bit to my nose so we can look sunburnt. I'm gonna spray myself with some Fix Plus. I just realized I forgot to bronze, which I like to do before I use blush, so that's unfortunate, but I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna go into the NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Oh my gosh, if you guys see my mascara running down on this side, it's because my eye won't stop watering. So we want to be glowy AF, so we're going to bathe in highlighter. We're gonna make sure everything's nice and blended together. I'm gonna go into my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Medium Tan. We're going to do some extra highlighting with the Inglot highlighter in the shade number 3. It's hot as hell, so we can't forget to set our face. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter, and yeah. So to finish off this look, I'm going to go into my favorite gloss ever, which is the Kylie Cosmetics Literally Gloss. I gotta go because my eye won't stop watering and it's betraying me, and I'm like so upset right now. It's so hot, my neighbors are annoying. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.